Hey folks, I'm Eddie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a soft and hard reset of Fitbit Inspire 3. Now, first of all, let me explain the difference. The soft reset is something you want to do when your Fitbit is kind of becomes slow, and let's say you turn the wrist to see the watch face and that's not working and things like that. So it's not going to affect the data at all. It's not going to raise the data from here. It's not going to disconnect you from the phone neither. It's just going to do a reset, which is going to help the software to fix those small issues. Now, hard reset is, on the other hand, different. It's going to completely erase the data and disconnect it from the phone and also erase the phone data. So it's going to be hard reset is basically a factory reset. So the first thing we want to do is the soft reset. Let's see how we can do that. By the way, before we start, make sure that your battery level is at least on 30%, because if you do the reset and the battery dies, this can damage the fitness band. So let's see first how we can do the soft reset. Scroll down until you come to the settings, tap here, now scroll up till you get to the reset device. It's the last option. Tap on it, and then here you can tap on reset to do that, and you'll have to wait for a few seconds for the fitness band to reboot. Now let's go back to the watch face. To do the hard reset, you will again go to the settings, scroll down to device information, tap here, then scroll to the last option, clear user data. Tap here, scroll down. Now we have to tap here and wait for 3 seconds. So let's do that. Don't move your finger here. And then when the screen becomes black, that's it, you did it. Now let's wait a little bit for rebooting. Once you see the logo, you can see that now it's factory reset. Everything is deleted, everything is cleared. And now you have here an option to pair it again. Now, once you do the factory reset, the last thing you want to do is to go to the app, and then you will see here that you still have the Inspire 3 connected. This shouldn't be here. Tap on it, and then tap here on to basically delete this. Oh, you have to wait for the syncing. Syncing is going to fail, obviously, because it's not connected, but still, we have to wait for this process to be done. Tap here, unpair. And that's it. Now you have completely removed it from your app. Now, if you go back, you will see here that the data is also removed, so you cannot see anymore the heart rate data or anything like that. And with this, we are pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. If it was, please hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you have any problems. And as always, have a nice day. See you in the next one.